First, we're going to compare two charts, a 5-minute chart and a 1,000 trade chart. There are thousands and thousands of indicators available for hundreds of platforms. If you're an indicator nerd like me, then you know how frustrating it can be to find a new indicator and find out it only works occasionally. Some indicators work better in a trending market and some work better in a ranging market. My experimentation with indicators has led me to analyze many automated trading products. You can apply filter upon filter and you can get it up to 80% accuracy. But it's the other 20% that's where it can definitely decimate your account. That's why you must use stops. By using a bracket order, you can automatically place the take profit and stop loss on the broker's server. Okay, let's get a closer look at the charts. Pivot 0 is showing a reversal signal of 2 green dots, which is the outer range of the linear and poly regression channels, with a MACD green arrow up. Pivot 1 is showing wicks on the top approaching the VWAP upper range with an SMI signal down and a MACD signal down. Pivot 2 is in the outer range of the Hurst channel and the VWAP with a green MACD going up. Number 3 shows a reversal pattern by the orange dot with a red SMI going down and the MACD arrow going down. Number 4, it went through the lower VWAP with a MACD up. Number 5 is showing the orange dots and the SMI down. With a MACD red arrow down, going through the VWAP. MACD on this number 6 going up. We'll see if this is going to be a range. It broke up to number 7 where we're out of range with the dots and the SMI and MACD going down. Number 8 bounced off the VWAP with the SMI dot up, MACD up, hitting the upper ranges. Number 9, SMI down, MACD trying to go down. Bouncing back up. Looks like it's in a MACD range there. Breaking out of the MACD range, going up into the upper ranges with a MACD down at 11. With 12 we got some green out of range in the lower ranges with a MACD up and a MACD down, SMI down. We're in the lower ranges of the poly and linear with a MACD up. Number 13 is a SMI down. With a MACD down, way down, going past the VWAP. The green out of range, continuing down, the MACD up and SMI up, going back up towards the VWAP with an SMI down, bouncing off the VWAP with a MACD down, reaching the lower limits with a MACD and SMI up, And now MACD down, continuing down. Got a MACD up, and the SMI up. Getting out of range with the poly and the linear. Continuing up. SMI and the MACD trying to go down. Got some wicks on the top. SMI and MACD up. Up at the VWAP. MACD and SMI. The MACD stayed. Looks like it might be in the MACD range. Looks like we got a MACD down. Broke down through the range. Got a MACD up. Got a SMI down. MACD down. MACD up. Bounced off the VWAP with the SMI down. Got a bunch of wicks on the top. MACD down. Got a reversal pattern there. MACD up. Going up towards the VWAP. Bouncing off the VWAP, median line. So 2 o'clock area. MACD down, out of range on the bottom. Wicks on the bottom. MACD up. SMI down. Lots of wicks. Going up towards the VWAP again. See if it bounces off. It's out of range on the linear and poly with the SMI down. MACD down. 330 area, SMI up. Up. We're going fast. Up and down. It's 4 o'clock. We're in the lower ranges now with the green dots. Should start moving soon. Got a MACD up. Going into a range with lots of wicks. Breaking up towards the VWAP. In the upper range of the Hurst. Orange dots showing it's out of the range. Red dot SMI with a MACD down. Out of range on the bottom, SMI up. Out of range on the bottom. And we are at 10 o'clock. Okay, you've seen how some indicators work, but that's only part of the equation of day trading successfully. You need to have the proper money management and proper trade management to make money. In other words, how much to trade and where to take profit and apply stops. Hope this helps. Have a great weekend.